Hey yo, what's up guys? Today's video is gonna be more interesting because in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create this amazing TWS poster using one and only Photoshop. And let's jump into the video. So first of all, I opened Photoshop and then I'm gonna create a 2000 by 2000 pixel canvas, and then I'm gonna put a black background on this, and then I will add this amazing black background. I will give all the materials link in the description below so you can download and use it. And then I will add this lens flare. Okay, alright, then I will turn the blending mode to linear dots, guys, and then I will add this shape layer to the background, right? Alright, after adding that, I'm gonna simply drag and drop the JBL TWS PNG. Okay, like that. Okay, and then I will add our JBL logo, and I will turn this into a black to white color using invert Ctrl+I. Okay guys, after adding that, I'm gonna simply rasterize this layer and slightly rotate the JBL TWS PNG. Okay, like that. Alright, perfect. And then guys, I will simply drag and drop the half tone layer. Okay, and I will just simply set the color to blending option to color dots, like that. Okay, after that I will add some gradient to the JBL logo, this little tiny orange and yellow gradient. Okay, so guys, after adding this, I will simply add a shape layer, like that, and slightly rotate the corners, and then I will click on shape, like that. Perfect. And then I will just adjust the stroke size to like 40%, 14%, right? Alright, after that I will just simply select the product PNG and slightly move it to the right. Alright guys, after adding this, I simply just drag and increase the size of this shape, and then I will add a simple price text. It will be like this. Okay, after that I will add simply like the dollar symbol. Okay, let me search and add the dollar symbol, right? Okay, let me search the dollar symbol in Google, dollar icon. Alright guys, after adding this price tag, I will just simply drag this layer and increase the size. Then I will just simply duplicate this layer. Okay, like that, and then I will change the name to starting price. Alright guys, after adding that, I will just simply decrease the size of this layer and simply add a shape layer to bottom of this price tag, like that. Okay guys, and then I will add a simple gradient to this like that, and then I will drag and send this to forward, and then I will just simply decrease the size or amount of this shape and increase the size of this price tag like that. Perfect. Okay guys, after adjusting the sizes, and then I will adjust the gradient. Alright guys, after adjusting the gradient, I will just simply add another shape, bottom of this shape, and I will fill the color with orange. Alright, and then simply I will add a text called wireless TWS AirPods. Okay guys, after adding this, I will just simply change the color to white, and then I will just turn off the upper keys to lower keys, wireless TWS, okay, like that, and then I will just simply decrease the spacing of this layer, I mean this text, to something like maybe 85, maybe, not sure. Okay, 90. Okay, perfect. After adding this, I will just simply drag and add this to the left. Okay, and maybe I am gonna change the font to semi-bold. Okay guys, done, much of the work are done, and then I'm gonna add some shadows. Okay, shadows, go the shadows to the product. Okay, like that, some harder shadows. Okay, so guys, after adding some shadows, I'm gonna like put another shadows to the product PNG. I will just add a exposure and just adjust the values. After that, I will just paint them with mask, something like that. Okay guys, after doing these things, I'm gonna just simply add a nice glow to them like this. Okay, after adjusting those things, I will just simply select the logo and drag it to the top like that, and then I will select all the price related shapes and text layers like that, and then simply I will just drag and like set it to the top like that. Okay, it's looking perfect. So guys, after adjusting these things, I will just simply add the other layer of the top. Okay, and then simply I will just drag and drop the wireless TWS AirPods text and change the name into www.jbl.com. okay, I'm in the website address. Sorry, I had on mistakenly. I'm just like I just fixed the name jbl.com. okay, and then I will just add this to the bottom like that. Perfect, right? And then maybe I will just change the color to yellow or not. Okay, leave it to white. Okay, it's everything looking perfect, right? And then I will just simply add some other glows, some glows to the bottom and somewhere to the right, left and top. Okay guys, like that. And then boom, that's our one and only cool JBL poster design in Photoshop. So guys, you can create this poster like me using Photoshop. If you want another tutorial, you can drop down your recommendation in the comment section, and see you in the another video. So then, goodbye. Make sure to like and subscribe this channel.